Thinking about starting a business in Turkey? Whether you're a local entrepreneur or a foreign investor, incorporating a company in Turkey can unlock many opportunities, but when you do it in the right way. In this video, I will be talking about how to set up a company in Turkey and the foreign full ownership and also the company types. And the best thing is, you will be able to open a company remotely with the power of attorney after this video. Let's proceed. Turkey is becoming a favorable spot for startups and international companies. Why? It has a strategic location between Europe and Asia, and it's a part of customs union with EU. Turkey is also having a competitive labor cost with its young and skillful workforce. Turkey is also a part of free trade agreements which you can have benefit from. It also offers full foreign ownership in many fields of the industry. Recently, since 5th of April 2025, US imposes advantageous tariffs on Turkey, which is 10%, and it is much more advantageous than Turkey's most neighbor countries. Foreign investors, the two most common business structure they can establish in Turkey are limited liability companies and joint stock companies. Limited liability companies are more suitable for small and middle-sized ventures, and they have to have at least one shareholder with the minimum capital requirement of 50,000 Turkish lira, which equates to $1,300. Joint stock companies are more suitable for bigger size companies and who wants to raise funds for their investments. They have to have at least initial capital 250,000 Turkish lira, which equates to $6,500. In principle, shareholders are not liable with their personal assets for their company's debts to the third parties. The shareholders are only liable for their capital contribution to their companies. Do not forget, you have 24 months to pay your capital contribution to your company's corporate bank account, and it is totally disposable amount and you can withdraw at any time. Here is the key point. We strongly advise you to work with the licensed attorney when you incorporate your company in Turkey. As attorneys at law, we will provide you tailor-made legal solutions for your business needs and your company structure. Another great news is, you don't have to be in Turkey to open your company with us. We will send you the draft of the power of attorney, you will apostille and notarize it, and we will be opening your company in 1 week. If you're a foreign investor, here's what you should know before setting up your company in Turkey. Firstly, you can fully own a Turkish company in Turkey without the need of a local shareholder. There is not such a requirement in Turkey from foreign direct investment approval, which is existing in many of the emerging countries. Foreigners also can be the director of a Turkish company without the need of a local director. You don't need a Turkish residence permit or a visa to be able to be the shareholder or a director of a Turkish company. You need a local registered address and also Turkish certified accountant for your company. These are the maintenance costs of your company. After the incorporation is finalized, you will be opening a corporate bank account. Most sectors are open for full ownership for foreign investors in Turkey. There are a couple of industries that are restricted for full ownership for foreigners, which are telecommunication and aviation. The current corporate tax in Turkey is 25%, while the dividend tax is 15% since 2024. There are 3 things that you should do with your company in Turkey regarding taxation. According to Turkish legislation, when you have a Turkish entity, you have to work with a Turkish certified accountant. Incorporating a company in Turkey for foreigners doesn't need to be complicated if you have the right legal team behind you. Ready to launch your business? Subscribe to our channel, like our video, and feel free to get in touch with us.